this video I would like to talk again about the Bosch Universalimpact 18 because I changed my mind a little bit about this machine and I would like to let you know about it. In the first video I said that I was generally happy with the device, but I was lacking a little bit of torque for screwing in long screws. But maybe I made a mistake there. I looked through the screws I usually use and I picked the longest ones, which I would use on a regular base. In this case it's an 8 centimeter or 3-inch screw with thickness of 5 millimeters. I would like to show on this piece of wood how it performs when it screws in screws, and I want to show you what I did wrong. In the manual it is pointed out that for screwing screws the control wheel should be set to this position, screws, not to this position, which would be drilling, or this, which would be impact drilling. And I used it this way, and on this wheel you can select the amount of torque. And now I will try to screw in a screw with this setting and look how deep I can get it into the wood. Now, as you can see, that's the maximum I could drill it in or screw it in. But it is still sticking out a little bit, and in order to make it flush with the surface I would have to use a manual crank to get it all the way in. And so I thought that I would like to have a drill with more torque, but someone gave me a tip. So I was told that if I put it to drill, then this device actually has more torque. So I will try this. So you see, that wasn't even the maximum which I could have pulled it in. So with the drilling setting it has plenty of torque, but there's no way to control the torque. So my new verdict about this machine is very good. Would I buy it again? Yes, absolutely. And I built a few things already with it and used the drilling setting. It didn't break, so I think that it's not really bad for the machine, and I'm very happy with it. Okay, thanks.